Discover the perfect blend of peaceful living and modern convenience at Windermere Farms, an exclusive community of custom homes nestled on spacious 1-acre home sites in Waxhaw, North Carolina. Here, you'll find tree-lined streets and a quiet cul-de-sac setting that creates the ideal backdrop for your dream home. Many home sites offer added privacy, backing to lush tree lines that make you feel miles away from it all. Yet you're just 5 minutes from the heart of downtown Waxhaw. Step into Waxhaw's quaint downtown and discover its unique character, from locally owned boutiques and coffee shops to antique stores. Stroll across the historic pedestrian bridge, once used by the railroad, and now a notable landmark connecting the town. With 14 distinctive floor plans to choose from, you can create a home that's perfectly tailored to your lifestyle. Families will appreciate the top-rated schools, while professionals will love the easy access to Charlotte. At Windermere Farms, you don't have to choose between peaceful country living and modern convenience. Here, you can enjoy wide open spaces just minutes from all the amenities Waxhaw has to offer. Your acre of tranquility awaits at Windermere Farms, where custom homes meet small town charm in one of North Carolina's most desirable locations.